Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a Nadine West unboxing. I haven't actually filmed one of these in probably like 3 months because I think the last couple I just took some pictures for Instagram, though I don't know that I've posted them all. So this is probably the first one I've filmed in 3 months, and I just, probably only film a Nadine West periodically, and I felt like doing it today. Now, that being said, I am very low energy today, and I will do the best I can to keep my energy up. I am finishing a cold, and I'm just somebody that when I get sick, it just zaps. So now I'm a low energy person to start out with, a very low energy person. I could sit around all day, every day, and be perfectly content with that. And I'm very envious of people who are like, I can never sit down, because it's like I can't stop sitting down. So I'm a very low energy person, and then when I get sick, it's just like I'm done. Anyways, so I need to get this back. Still wanted to film it, so I'm pushing through, almost all the way better. It's just my energy is still not back. So anyways, if I seem kind of blah today, that's why. And go watch a different video, and maybe I'll have better energy in that one. So anyways, let's get to it. So Nadine West, they are styling service, and the most affordable styling for service, perhaps one of the most affordable. And they send you anywhere from like 2 to, I don't know, 15 items. I used to just get like 4 items, and now I get like 1,000. It's usually a mixture of clothing and accessories, though mostly clothing with a couple of accessories, but I've gotten some great pieces. I've been loving these sparkly leaf earrings I got in a Nadine West, so I have enjoyed that aspect. So let's go ahead and just kind of get started. There's no styling fee, but there's a shipping fee of $9.78, but that does get applied to anything you purchase. I love it that these style services do that, because you get that money back, and they give you a week, which is awesome, to kind of go through and send back what you're not going to keep. All right, so this is by Active USA. We got some striped pants. I actually really like the style of these for work type pants. Kind of a straight leg here, a little cuff. These look to be not too long, which is good for somebody like me. The only thing I don't like is they're not a soft material, just kind of a very stiff material. Also a bit see-through. Like I can see light through these, through 2 layers of pants, the front and the back, and I can see light through it pretty easily. So I like the style and the look of it, the feel of it, and the see-throughness, kind of bleh. So, okay, we'll see what I think once it's on. I always say that. Bundle number 2. We have this, I don't even know what to call this pattern. It's one you tend to see on a flannel type clothing, which is kind of what this feels like. I don't even know what to call this pattern, but you can see it, so I guess I don't really need to name it. This is by AF Studio, has an elastic band waist, so this is just a pull-on. I don't know, I don't love it. It's okay. I don't love it, it's okay. So this is like the bag of the patterned pant, it seems. All right, this is by C Mode, and we got some more patterned pants. It's got a tie here and some striping with some like sparkliness to it. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, I don't mind these. I don't really need dress pants, so all these are kind of, I don't need them. But, I occasionally put one on and I'm like, hello there, and get surprised. So, I don't know. For me, Nadine West's strengths do not lie in their pants, is my feeling. I prefer more their tops and their dresses and their jewelry. So, okay. Next we have, this is by Zanana, and it is a split neck here. I don't know if you can see that. Black tank top. There we go. I like it. I've got like this exact tank top, very similar, so this will not be a keeper, but I like it. And it would be a keeper if I didn't already have it, presuming it fits. Then we have a dress by Full Circle, and it is this, it's kind of a lavenderish color, which I really have nothing in this color, so I like that. What I don't like is this is clearly going to be a bodycon type dress, which I do not find myself wearing. I'm just a little bottom heavy, and I'm not going for that look. That's not my style. So style wise, I really like the dress though. If I had a different body type, I'd be really excited about this. I do like the little faux pockets up front and the zipper, and I think it's a really pretty dress, and I like it a lot. Just bodycon is not my thing. So next up we have by Yitong, Y-I-T-O-N-G, and this is like a pair of jeggings, kind of a charcoal gray jegging, moto type jegging, based off of kind of the seamage here at the knees, which again you guys probably can't see. So I like them. I'm interested in these. I have a feeling I'm still not going to be super excited because they're not overly soft. They are stretchy, as you would expect from a jegging, but not overly soft. So I don't know. All right, this last bundle we have here has the jewelry and the tops, which is more what I'm interested in. So it's got this kind of bright, it's almost a springish color, I would say. 3/4 length sleeve, tunic top, t-shirt, hem. Nadine West seems to love tunic tops, even though I don't. So I like the color though. It is a good spring color. All right, so I'm interested in this piece for sure. Green is my favorite color. We got a V-neck pocket tee. Kind of reminds me of my Madewell tees. And I think this will probably be a keeper because I love the color of it, and I love a simple tee like this. So excited about this piece. Then we have this tank here, which is an interesting feel to it. I kind of like the gathered neck of it, the simple pattern. I think this is a great work type shirt. So this may be a keeper because I do think it has a dressiness to it that I could pull that off, but also kind of a comfort. It's a kind of a nice thick material. So, okay, I'm interested in that. And then jewelry. We have this necklace with kind of this snake around a ring, which is interesting. Not really my thing. I'm not a big snake person. And then we have a pair of earrings that are just kind of free floating in this bag. Let's see if I can get one out. Kind of a mixed metal, a little bit of gold, a little bit of silver. So there we go. I like that earring though. I wear a mixed metal occasionally, so that's not too bad. So there we go. That's my bag. I think I sounded a bit like a Debbie Downer. The surface is very hit and miss, so you know, I apologize if I come off wrong. But anyways, let's wait to reserve our final opinions until we try it on. So let's get to it. Okay, so as expected, super bodycon. So not gonna keep it, not even gonna do a 360, but I will say it is a pretty dress. Again, if I had a different body type, I would probably want to keep it. I really do enjoy the midi length dresses. I'm glad these are a thing because I think it's a cute length. I'm not sure if it's great out of petite height like I have, but I do really like the dress. I love the top of it and like this style up here, so I really like it. Just bodycon. So okay, next outfit. Okay, I put all the pieces into 5 different outfits, so some of these outfits aren't going to make a lot of sense, but I'm trying to keep this video from being too long. So here we go. Starting at the bottom, I think this is all we have to say about this. It's just there's way too much fabric up here, and I think if it was up higher and tighter, it would have worked. No, still just a lot of fabric here. So that's a deal breaker, but I do really like the length of it, and I like the width of the leg. So I like that, but the fabric does not feel great as expected, and then too much up here. So the tank, I like this. I think it's a nice, simple style. I could see myself wearing it under some blazers for work, and just to give it, you know, I like the patterns, kind of simple, just to give it a little bit something interesting. So I think I like this. And I think this may be a keeper. Am I like super ecstatic about it? No, but I like it. Okay, next outfit. I just like everything about what I'm wearing right now. So the tunic top is just too tunicky. I don't reach for tunic tops. It's just not my thing. So, and just look how long it is. I mean, it almost could be a dress. Maybe not. I mean, that'd be an awfully scandalous dress, but still, it's just way too long for me. It's a good fit up here, pretty good fit up here. And I do find the color interesting. I do actually like the color. I like the brightness, the pop of it, but yeah, not my thing. Now, the pants are, again, not a great material. They're not very soft, but they are stretchy, so I'll give it that. The biggest problem is this waistband here is just like, and I wish you guys could see it from my POV, but it's just not a tight waistband, so it's just super loose, and now it hangs awkward, and kind of, if I had a more form-fitting shirt, you'd kind of see the ripple of the waistband. So just not a good fit that way either, but a decent length, so that's not bad, though I would probably put a roll to the bottom of it. And I like the concept of these, if that counts for anything, the concept. Okay, next outfit. I will reiterate, pants are not Nadine West's strong suit. They pride themselves on being an affordable service. I think usually it's like up to $35. And I think it's difficult to find pants that are affordable. Maybe, I mean, you go to Walmart and they've got some nice jeans there for 20 bucks. So, I don't know. I don't know what the deal is, but it's not their strong point. Anyways, so these pants, no. So they got a lot of extra. They're way too long. And the waistband, again, is just quite loose on me. And it's just not a great fit. And I'm not even really into the style of these. So these are no for me. The top is just too big and tunicky. Like I said, I have something almost exactly like this, but it's a lot better fitting than this. So this is just not really my thing either. All right, last outfit. Okay, this is a horrible outfit, I'm fully aware, but again, trying to make this a short video. So let's start with the pants. First of all, I don't understand these ties here, just kind of have this red end to it, but I don't understand why. Why do we have that? The pants are okay. Now they are a little bit long for me, but not too bad. Maybe I could wear some heels with it. Again, you know, some of these pants I feel like I have to pull up quite high to keep from having extra room there. And I'm just not really, oh, that is a pocket. It does have pockets, which is nice. I'm just not really into this style. Also, I'm just not really into this style. It's okay. It's probably better than the other pants that I tried on, but still just not great. Now, this top, I don't know, guys. I love this style. I love the color of this. But again, I was just struggling with all these shirts being this long. I think it's partially because right now the trend is a lot more cropped. And I've actually been kind of moving into the cropper, not like where I'm showing like midriff like this, but kind of, you know, having my shirt kind of end, you know, slightly over the top of my high rise. So it's like I'm not showing anything, but it's just a shorter silhouette. And I like it. And so I'm finding all these long pieces and feeling a bit, you know, out of trend with it. But I do like the shirt. I do like the color of it. I am still considering keeping it because I think I'd still get some use in it. And I think it would still tuck, even though it is quite long, I think it would still tuck well and look cute under some jackets and cardigans and things like that. So most likely this will stay, but I don't know for sure until we go over prices and decide what to keep. Okay, I think my coloring's off in this video, but I don't know how to fix it. So, oh well. Okay, so starting here at the top, we have the Ricky top, $36.99. Now, I say this, try to say this at the price, when I go over prices with Nadine West, is I'm very, very lucky to be a VIP member, which means I do get 50% off of all prices. So, When I talk about keeping something, I'm giving you guys the full price, but when I'm talking about keeping something, know that I am taking 50% off of that. So if something seems overpriced, don't come for me. Don't judge me. Anyways, I do like this, and I think this would be a good work basic. So I'm leaning towards keeping this even at $18.50, which is what I would pay. Still like, oh, is that worth it? I'm not sure. So I'm not 100% sure, but I'm probably going to keep that. All right, then we have the Mariel top. It is $39.99. This should not be $40 in my opinion. It's an okay blouse. It's good quality. Quality-wise, I have no issue with it. Silhouette-wise, I obviously did, but I'm actually surprised it's $39.99. Then we have the Ellen top, and it is $24.49, and it's just too long. I could throw a belt on it and wear it as a dress. I'm just not into tunic tops that are that long. Then one of my favorites is the Liza top, $23.49. I would snatch this up if it wasn't so long, and I'm still a maybe on this. And I may check Nordstrom's site to see if they have any Madewell tees in this color, because I'm kind of obsessed with this color. I really, really like it. And so if they do have some Madewell, I might order that. If not, I might keep this. So that's where I'm at with that. Then we have this Windy jeggings, and this is $35.99. And just none of these pants were good fits. I'm just going to make that blanket statement. They were not good fits. So not keeping. Yvette, $35.99. Blake, $22.99. Christabel, and these are all the names that Nadine West gives them. Christabel, $11.99. I mean, that's super affordable, but still not going to keep that. And then we have the dress, which I did like. I would love if I had a different body type, and it's $20.99, which is pretty decent for this. So again, different body type, would have loved that. The earrings, the Delaney earrings, I'm actually wearing them now because they're affordable, and I think I shall keep them. And because they're $8.99, again, I'd pay for $50, so it's like you can't beat that. The necklace I didn't bother to try on because I didn't feel like it. I'm not a big snake person at all, so I just, you know, and I've got a few necklaces like this that are kind of the big old ring, and I don't accessorize, especially since I'm staying home a lot. I'm not accessorizing much. I am making the effort putting on some real clothes and dressing up a little bit, but the accessorizing is just not really happening, other than occasionally I throw in a pair of earrings. So not going to keep that, but this was $29.99. So that is my bag, and I'd be curious to see what you guys think. Is there anything that you loved out of this bag? I am thinking about maybe sending them an email to kind of suggest more what I'm looking for. Now, there is a style survey, but there isn't any way to do like specific requests. So I may email just to see if I can actually put in some specific requests, you know, because I love cardigans. Surely, can they find some better jean situations? I don't know. Although I did get some pull-on jeans in one of my Nadine West that I didn't film, and I wear them all the time. I love them. Now, my husband makes fun of me because they are the elastic waist, but boy, are they comfortable, and I got a shirt over it so you can't see that they're just elasticy. And so anyways, so that was a winner, so I will give them that. Anyways, so that's it. I'd love to hear you guys' feedback. Hopefully you still enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, then please subscribe below. And I will hopefully see you in the next video. All right, bye.